Hello, good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing good and I am also doing fantastic too. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fluency Dreamer. In today's video, I have slightly added two more words. So, today we have four useful words which we can use in our day-to-day English conversation. So, let's get started. So, my first word is pragmatic. The second word is immensely. The third word is wondering. And the last word is poster. So let's start with the first word, pragmatic, which means practical and realistic, taking actions instead of just dreaming. For example, earlier I used to dream about speak a fluent English, but now I've been practicing every day. And because if you want to achieve something, you have to be pragmatic and like take you have to take an action instead of just dreaming about it. Okay, so let's jump into the second example. The second example is, if you want to achieve if you want to get a government job, so you have to study hard with the consistency and be pragmatic instead of just thinking about it yeah, it will done without study. It will never be done. Okay, so always taking action and be pragmatic. So let's jump into the second word. The second word is immensely, which means extremely and greatly. For example, if you have ever helped beggar and the poor people to by giving them basic need items and even a single coin or something else, I must say that feeling you will get afterward is immensely happy and grateful. And let's move into the second example. The second example is, I will be immensely happy when my audience says your videos is help a lot to us. And yeah, that moment when I genuinely able to help others will be immensely happy and will mean a lot to me. So let's jump into the third word. The third word is wondering, which means thinking curiously and ask yourself a question. For example, earlier I used to wonder how people remember so many of English words. But now when I am learning, I am wondering how it's actually possible. I have realized it's only through everyday practice. So, so let's come into the last word. The last word is foster, which means to support or help something grow. For example, as a YouTuber, I want to foster confidence in people who are learning English, just like you and me. So you can foster good habits, foster learning, foster kindness. So this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I have enjoyed sharing with you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.